The DaVinci Birdie Crib offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, allowing it to transition seamlessly from a crib to a toddler bed and then to a daybed, making it a long-lasting choice for growing families. Crafted from sustainably sourced New Zealand pine wood, this crib combines durability with a beautiful aesthetic, ensuring it remains a cherished centerpiece in any nursery. The crib's GREENGUARD Gold Certification highlights its commitment to safety, having undergone rigorous testing to ensure a healthier environment for your child. With 4 adjustable mattress heights, the crib adapts as your baby grows, providing optimal comfort and ease for both parents and their little ones. The modern design features hidden hardware for a seamless look, complemented by elegant rounded spindles that add a timeless charm to any nursery decor. Parents will appreciate the easy assembly process, ensuring a hassle-free setup and allowing them to focus on creating a nurturing space for their child.